Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. I'm Chris, and I'm excited to have you here today for a tutorial on structuring your website content. And in this video today, I'm going to be discussing how to automate content creation for one specific post type, the Voice of AI web project. So far on our website, I've set up the markers for various post types to start to organize our content. We've got a landing page with a call to action for subscription to get training videos and a newsletter. And we've also set up a services page, a pricing page, a blog page for original content creation to help us with our SEO. And today I'll be focusing on one specific post type, videos. I've already created 100 videos already, and I'm going to use these post type to create content from which will be the start of our effort to up our SEO and begin to drive traffic to the website. The importance of content structure for page elements. Before we dive into the automation side of things, let's discuss the importance of content structure. When taking content from a video, it's crucial to maintain a consistent structure in page elements to ensure high-quality, structured content. And to achieve this, we can create a guide that includes the key elements such as titles, captions, summaries, and descriptions. By following this guide, we can generate engaging and structured content for our website. This is really important for any team member that may need to work on a new page to make sure that each section is the same as any of the other video posts. Automation using AI. To automate content creation, we can utilize AI technology by leveraging tools such as Urlslabs, which is a free WordPress plugin. We can quickly assimilate original content from our videos. We can define elements specific to each post type and create a template for each post element. So here's my video page post that I'm making at the moment. I'm setting up the structure, and later I'm going to automate it even more. So eventually all we'll need to do is add a video ID to create an entire post. But for now, it's just a manual process. We're adding variables with the YouTube video ID, and later with dynamic templates, it can be fully automated. That means we can generate all the necessary text, captions, descriptions, and summaries for our content much more quickly. You can see here I've added the YouTube video link in WordPress. Then I've automated the title directly from Urlslabs with a generated shortcode. Then I've added the description shortcode. You can see I have the attribute description here. And then I've also added transcript. In preview mode, you can see that the automated description and transcript is now in place. It's a large text block, but if I add a scroll bar, it will be easier on the eye. But the main goal is to feed Google's SEO ranking with good, high-quality content. Here we can add our call to action, for instance, a subscription, and I could also add frequently asked questions later. Then I can start to link the text through these pages to other pages across the website. But for now, you can see how this can be fully automated to create original content from my original video. You can see in this example how the live agent websites looks where you have topics, video summary, and a transcript, and they've already been added, and you can see that there's a scroll bar here too. Using shortcuts and plugins. Later, with the use of dynamic templates to streamline our content creation process by adding shortcodes for video titles, descriptions, and summaries, we can easily reuse it throughout every new post. We can also employ a custom fields plugin in WordPress and use Elementor to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of our content. Generating traffic and SEO results. Ultimately, our goal is to drive traffic to our website and improve our SEO results. By structuring our content and incorporating automation, we can create engaging and optimized pages that attract visitors. Through tools like Google Search Console, we can monitor our website's performance and see the positive impact of our efforts. Call to actions, linking, and frequently asked questions. To make our content more interactive and encourage user engagement, we can add call to action buttons throughout the site and on each page. These CTAs could prompt users to subscribe for more information or to take other desired actions. We can also manually create links in WordPress and utilize Urlslabs to generate relevant links later within the content. Additionally, incorporating frequently asked questions, which will provide valuable information to our audience and enhance the user experience. And you can find the Urlslabs link in the YouTube description. If you haven't watched our previous video on building websites with our ideal structure and content for maximum SEO results, I highly recommend checking it out. Just click on the link right there now. And thanks again for watching the video, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI related content and tips, and join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.